Hey guys. Okay, let me be for real. Hey guys, so I know it's been like long time no see. Y'all haven't seen me in a minute, especially on YouTube, unless you follow me on Instagram or anything else. By the way, you should follow me on Instagram, which is just my name, Kenley Jordan _ if you really want to stay updated with me on a day-to-day basis. But I know I haven't been on my YouTube in a minute, so y'all are like probably like, where the hell is this video coming from? Today I just have an install video for y'all. Today I'm showing y'all how I dyed this hair and just how I installed it. By the way, this hair today is from Domiso hair, so I just want to shout out to them. Thank y'all so much for sending me this hair and sponsoring this video. So yeah, I know it's been a minute, y'all, but if y'all really want to stay updated with me, y'all really gotta follow me on Instagram, because I post on Instagram like every day. So before we even get into this video, I just wanted to say, make sure y'all check the description box so y'all can get all the details on this hair that I have installed. If y'all want to see how I colored and installed this wig, make sure y'all keep watching. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to slick my edges back. These braids are like, don't judge me, because these braids are getting a little old. I'm like going on maybe like 3 weeks of having my hair in these same braids, but that's the point, to keep my hair braided down. So ow, I'm gonna just use some edge booster and I'm gonna just slick all my edges back, because we want to make sure we keep our baby hair safe underneath our ball caps and wigs and all that. So I'm gonna just do that before we put the ball cap on. Ooh, nice and smooth. With the even lace spray, and this is the black can. This is the only one I've used. I've only used the black can, so I can't speak on any of the other ones, but I think I like this better, just a little bit better than Got To Be spray. It kind of gives, I think it gives a little bit of a stronger hold. I'm gonna just spray this along my hairline and let this dry. Ball cap out the way. All right, now we finna get into this wig. This is our wig today. I showed y'all clips of me dyeing it. All I did was do like a little skunk stripe. I wanted to try the skunk stripe. I haven't done that before, so I did that. I did have to bleach the hair 3 times because I really wanted it to be like super blonde. Like I wanted it to be like, I wanted the hair to lift to almost like 613. So I had to bleach the patch like 3 times, and then on the last time when I washed it out, I used shimmer lights, and that's what's like kind of giving some of the pieces kind of like a silvery type of vibe, and then some of the pieces kind of look just a little bit more blonde. But either way, I think it's gonna be cute. This hair today is from Domiso. Domiso hair. And this is the wig that we're using today. This is a 26-inch body wave frontal wig that they had sent me. So we're just gonna jump straight into installing this hair. So first things first, let's slide it on. And y'all, I literally just did this. Like, I was taking off the clips in the wig and I literally like accidentally cut like a whole little slice. But it's okay because when we get it all laid down, it's not really gonna matter. It's gonna kind of like adjust the hairline to my natural hairline, and then I'm just gonna cut off the cut out the ear tabs. Okay, so now that I cut my ear tabs off, I'm going to go and I'm gonna put some foundation on the lace, and I'm also going to cut off all the excess lace. I'm just gonna like cut along the hairline in like a zigzag type of way. You don't want to cut in no straight line. I'm trying to show y'all that, but I'm gonna take this off and do that. I'm sipping on a little bit of wine, y'all. I can see it back there. So this is the wig after I tinted the lace and also just cut off all the excess lace. So this wig comes with like this little piece of lace in the back, which a lot of wigs come with that, and I really don't know what the purpose of that lace, like, I don't know what the purpose of that lace be, but I always cut it off. So yeah, I have some oxtails that I'm about to eat later because I had got them earlier, but like I didn't finish them. They're gonna be so good later. Anyways, I'm like just discovering time lapses, y'all, and I'm like obsessed with doing it. But after we kind of just line it up like to where it's suiting to our hairline, and I know it's looking like it's looking kind of crazy for me, like, girl, you brought it down too much, but I gotta do that because for some reason this this wig is cutting it kind of short on the ear tabs, so I want to make sure like I have enough lace to cover that up. So I'm just gonna fold this back, and now we're gonna start putting the glue on. Today I'm gonna use Ghost Bond, which I feel like people kind of like. I feel like Ghost Bond was the first lace glue I ever used. I love me some bolt hold. I tried the gummy glue before. You know, it was good. I don't have any complaints about it. What else have I tried? I've tried the wig dealer glue. I've tried, like, it's another kind of major glue that I'm thinking of that I cannot think of right now. But you can never go wrong with Ghost Bond. So I'm gonna use Ghost Bond today because that's honestly all that I have left. Whenever I do my own wigs, I only do 2 layers of glue. So we're just gonna go with 2 layers. I usually only wear my wigs for maybe like a week or 2, so that's another reason why it's never really, you know, you don't be needing that much glue. I'm not trying to make this wig last forever, so 2 layers is enough. And you want to put that second layer of glue like on before your first layer of glue dries. Now I'm gonna go back and repeat that same process. As y'all can see, this is like the little slit I'm talking about. And y'all, let me just show y'all, like, if that ever happens to y'all, y'all don't have to stress. Of course, you don't want that to happen to your wig, because if you're trying to, you know, use a wig on multiple occasions, you know, you want to keep the integrity of that lace as much as possible. But just to show y'all, you know, if you do happen to do something like that to your lace, it's not over with. Just lay it down, y'all. It doesn't have to, just because it's not, you know, together right now, once you lay it down, it's all gonna come together. So you ain't gotta trip, sis, okay? So I'm gonna just do the same exact process that I just did, and I'm also gonna go back and kind of touch up some of these areas that I kind of want to add a little more glue to, and then yeah. So now that we applied all of the glue that we're going to apply, you see I still got like a little bit of excess lace, but like that's all gonna get cut off. So I'm gonna go back in with my even lace spray, and I'm just gonna like spray this along my hairline. So now I'm gonna just go like sit under my dryer for like 10 minutes. But I'm still trying to decide how I want to part my hair. Like, as y'all can see, I already kind of went and like pre-curled the hair, but I didn't do the top because I don't know if I want to do a middle part Am I feeling the middle part vibe? Or am I feeling a side part vibe? Like, I don't know. The side part would be something kind of like this. With this color, which one am I feeling more like? So now that I let this sit for about 10 minutes, I'm going to take this off. Just go ahead and cut off all the extra lace. I'm gonna do this off camera because I be having to really focus when I do this, because this is the time, if you're gonna nick yourself, this will be the time. So I'm going to cut off this extra lace real quick, and then I'm gonna come right back and show y'all what I do next. Okay, so I went and cut all of the excess lace off. Just a little bit of foundation and just pat, pat, pat. Like, I just hate it because when you tell people what you're doing and then they just continue to like ask you what you're doing, like you're not doing what you said you were doing. I'm gonna go back and like perfect that part, but until then, pick these baby hairs out. So I'm just gonna go with one big swoop on the side. I'm not gonna do anything too extra, too crazy. Cause why are you catching more attitudes than me? Now that we pulled out our baby hairs, I'm gonna go back again with some of this spray and just spray this along the lace. Okay, so while this band is on, I'm just kind of like pulling on my edges a little bit, just kind of straighten them up. And then I'm gonna go sit under the dryer again. Okay, so I just sat under the dryer, so now I'm going to take this band off. Y'all, I'm like so hot. I'm hot. I'm finna start getting hungry in a little bit. Woo! Cause y'all, it's like 9 o'clock at night. Let's get into the scalp. Yeah, we love that. We love that. Okay, so now that I did that, let's clip my hair back. Okay, so now I'm just gonna like comb these edges up, and since I put that spray in it, it's like important that I'm like really combing the edges from the root to make sure that they're not sticking to my skin. So with my edges, I'm gonna take my hot comb and I'm just gonna like hot comb the sections forward. Now I'm taking my trusty super small curler. This is the key. I know everybody be using the super small like flat irons, but this is my favorite right here. Just this like super small curling wand, and I'm just gonna literally curl my baby hairs. Okay, so we got the edges curled. Cool. Let's get into the baby hairs. So I'm gonna use mousse today with a little bit of I'm gonna go in and just trim my baby hair just a little bit because they are kind of on the longer side. Like, I don't really want them that long, but it makes them easier to curl. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my edge control and just kind of work that on my edges like this. I'm gonna go back in with my mousse. Okay, so while my edges are still sitting, I'm just gonna go and like finish styling the top of my head. I'm gonna just speed through this and just kind of let y'all watch me do what I do. It's getting cuter and cuter. Okay. Okay, come on now. Let's get it right, please. Okay, y'all, so this is the final result. This is really cute. I'm really, you know, I want to try something new with the skunk stripe. This is something I never did before. But I think it's cute. Yeah, I just came from having pink hair, so you know, nothing is ever too much, you feel me? So before I end this video, I just want to give another shout out to Domiso hair. Thank you so much for sending me this hair and sponsoring this video. This is a 26-inch body wave frontal wig from Domiso hair. As far as the hair goes, the hair is really soft. Honestly, I don't really have any complaints. It wasn't any like crazy shedding. Even when I bleached this patch 3 times, although I did have to bleach it 3 times just to get to like a 613. But even though I bleached it 3 times, it wasn't any like crazy excessive shedding or anything like that. As far as it being 26 inches, I definitely think it's pretty true to length. So we love that, because we know companies will say they're standing at 24 and the whole time you get an 18-inch in the males. So yeah, I really have no complaints. This hair honestly is super lightweight. It could be a little bit thicker for my liking personally, but as far as like look wise, like it looks fine. Yeah, I like the fact that it's lightweight. It's not too heavy or anything on my head, even though it's 26 inches. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me installing this wig. I know it's been so long since I've uploaded a video, so if you guys are tuned in right now, I really appreciate it. I honestly really kind of missed kind of being on YouTube, to be honest, and filming YouTube videos and all that stuff. I really kind of miss it. I definitely do have some more videos coming up for y'all soon. But yeah, y'all, I'm just kind of feeling myself a little bit. This is super cute. I love anything long. I love anything black, honestly, so this is super cute. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy this video, make sure you go and follow me on Instagram, because I definitely stay very updated on Instagram. So if you want to stay updated with me on a day-to-day basis, go and follow me on Instagram, which is at my name, Kenley _. Make sure y'all check the description box down below for all the details on this hair, as well as a discount code. Make sure y'all check the description box for my discount code, so y'all can get y'all some coins off on your next purchase. I also wanted to shout out my hair page. I also am a hairstylist and I do hair. I specialize in anything lace and extension services like micro links, eye tips, and tape-ins. All of those services I offer. So if you do want to book an appointment with me, make sure you go and follow my hair Instagram, which is at did.by.sadiddy. I'm gonna put it up on the screen in case y'all don't know how to spell it and all that. Just make sure y'all follow me there if y'all want to stay updated with me as far as hair and any bookings or anything like that. Follow my hair page. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe, comment, and leave a like, and let me know what y'all want to see next, what y'all want to see more of on my channel, because I definitely plan on uploading a lot more videos soon. So let me know what y'all want to see. Let me get off this camera, y'all, because I'm feeling myself. So I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. And again, comment, like, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, follow my hair page. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.